Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Crunchyroll login problem. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you can do is head over to your browser and then on the search bar simply type in downdetector.com. And then tap on the first link that is shown to you, and here scroll down until you find the Crunchyroll server and check to see if the server is operating properly or not. Sometimes this might be the issue that sometimes this might be the cause of the issue that you are facing. So just give it some time, and after a period of time you will be able to log into Crunchyroll. Now the next thing that you can do is just simply head over to your app store, and on the search bar tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then once it loads on the search bar simply type in Crunchyroll. And once you do that, tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.